Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Or welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. And I have some good news. If you watched the video yesterday, we were 100% spot on again. I mean, what we said in the video is that it looked like we had actually formed some sort of a short-term bullish structure, right? Because if you zoom out here, I would still say that Dogecoin is consolidating. But on the 1 hour time frame, what we said is that it looked most likely, if we looked at the markets were looking quite strong. And looking at Dogecoin, it was most likely that we would continue some sort of an uptrend here, maybe after a pullback. And what you can see is that we had a beautiful pullback into this previous resistance level, beautiful retest. And then we continued into our price target right here at 42 cents, hit 42 cents. And then from there, we retraced, which is 100% what we said last day or yesterday in the video. So that's always good, all right? If we predicted well, what I like to think is that you actually got some value from it. So we'll try to do it again today. I mean, the main thing today is well, all right, we got a strong rejection here together with the market. And the main reason why I expected that rejection is that, first of all, it looked like Bitcoin was quite over leveraged, all right? So Bitcoin had a huge amount of leverage building up within it and pushing it up. And then also Dogecoin, what it needs to really get a breakout here above this level right here at 43 and 42 cents, which is the main local resistance, what it needs is volume, all right? And what I said yesterday is that, well, if we actually see a much higher volume, then we can break above that. But the volume is right now 11.46 billion. Compare that to the last time we were very bullish, it was at 40 billion. So I need to see at least like 15 or 20 billion dollars in 24-hour volume before I will tell you, all right, the volume is enough to break out. Because if there's one thing you need to actually get a sustained breakout, and then I'm not talking about spikes up, all right? If there's one thing you need, it's volume. And we did not have that. That's why I said we would retrace. But now you can see we retraced down to 38 cents again. We got a decent we got a decent bullish reaction from that level. We found support on top of the POCs right here, which is basically that, you know, a lot of the volume has been traded in this area. So that makes it an important key level to stay on top of or stay down below if you want to short. But we want to long, of course, in these market circumstances. So we're on top of that after getting a good reaction here. Bitcoin looks very good again after flushing down all that leverage. Leverage is much lower than it was yesterday at the same price. So that's bullish in my eyes. So I would say that it is most likely that Dogecoin is going to be bullish again, right? And that we can actually reach those targets again. So then we're talking about 41, 42, 43. Now, what is true is that the momentum here, so the open interest, is still quite low compared to yesterday. So one of the things that Dogecoin needs to be bullish is open interest. That is slightly more bearish than yesterday. So that's something what we'll have to see develop over the course of today. But then if we actually take a look at the liquidity heat map here. Oh, not that one, excuse me. Now, if we actually take a look at the liquidity heat map here, what you can see is that still most of the liquidity is to the upside. So I don't think it matters too much that the momentum is not that high. I would say, looking at the market circumstances right now, looking at the general trend of Dogecoin here, and looking at that liquidity, I think that's enough to pull the price up to those levels again, right? So that we can actually get there again. But then we have the same problem as we had yesterday. Will we break out? At the moment, I will still say no. I think we can spike higher, all right? So I do think we can make higher highs here. But like I said, to get the breakout, I first need to see that volume around $15 billion. If it's there, then we can break out, and then I'll make an update. For now, I'm telling you, I think we're going to be bullish. I don't think we're going to have a high time frame breakout. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.